Hi everyone, today we are going to do ARM processor laboratory LED and DIP switch interfacing. First you have to open Keel Microvision 4 and you have to open new project and save that project with a file name. And you have to select NXP semi and then LPC2148 you have to select that one. Click OK. Click on target and then source group 1 and then go to file. Now paste the code of and then save the file with .c extension. And add that code to the source group and build the code. Go to target, then create X file and linker. Click the first option and click on OK.
My name is Punit Ramesh Krishnani. After the target created, we go to FlashMagick. In FlashMagick, we will select the port. After port, we will select the hex file what we have saved like that. After giving the hex file, we will go to start program. We start the program in FlashMagick. It's programming. The program will load into ARM processor kit. ARM processor kit, you select reset button and you start it. You see the output. The output is, if you turn on the one switch, first LED will be on. If you turn on second LED will be turned on. Same as you see, the third LED is glowing. You see 4 LEDs are turned on. This to be experiment, we are going to change the code a little bit. We do the code. The switch, now switch conditions are there. If S1 equal to 0, the switch odd LEDs will be on, continuous LEDs will be glowing on. If switch 2 condition is 0, odd LEDs will be on. If switch 3 condition is 0, first 4 LEDs will be turned on, and next switch 4 equal to 0 now, last 4 LEDs will be turned on.
So now we are going target options. Now we will change output, creating hex file and giving linker. Now we will build the code. As you see, no errors. Now we are going to FlashMagick. Now we will see that we will upload our hex file. So now we will upload it to ARM processor kit. Now we have to reset the ARM processor kit. Now we will give start button. Now we can see that the program is uploading into ARM processor kit. So we finished that uploadation. So as output, as we can see, so now we can see first switch, first 4 is on, then switch 3, last 4 is on, next even, now odd. See, we can see first 4.
Hi everyone, today we are going to do ARM processor laboratory.